So if you look closely right now on XPR coin, you can clearly see that the overall market is in an uptrend direction. But before this movement, we had a serious selling pressure. The market was dropping continuously, forming a series of bearish moves. Then when the price came around this zone, we started to see a reaction. Buyers began to step in, pushing back against sellers with strong bullish candles. That's the first big sign that the market is preparing for a possible reversal or continuation to the upside. Now, if we look even closer around this place, we can see that the market is forming a falling wedge chart pattern. And as we all know, the falling wedge is a bullish reversal chart pattern. It usually forms after a period of selling pressure and shows that buyers are slowly regaining strength. But there's something very important to note here. The room inside this wedge is very small, meaning price doesn't have enough space to move freely inside it. So instead of trying to trade inside this tight structure, the best move is to wait for a breakout, because small wedges like this can give a lot of fake signals. Now let's look at the possible scenarios that can play out here. Bearish scenario: if the price comes up to this upper trend line, breaks below the lower trend line, that confirms sellers are fully in control. Then we will wait for a retest around 0.0046, look for a bearish candlestick confirmation, and continue to sell from there down. Bullish scenario. Now, on the other side, if the market breaks above this upper trend line, that will confirm buyers have taken full control of the market. We will then wait for the retest around 0.0047, and if we see a strong bullish candlestick, that will be our entry signal to buy from that zone to the upside. This is where the main opportunity is likely to form, because this pattern, the falling wedge, usually breaks to the upside after this kind of accumulation movement. So in summary, the overall market of XPR coin is still in an uptrend, even though we had some strong selling pressure earlier. Now that buyers have stepped in and are showing a reaction with strong bullish candles, we just need to wait for confirmation. If the market breaks above the wedge and retests, we'll look for a bullish candlestick and buy. If the market breaks below the wedge, we'll wait for the retest and then look for a bearish candlestick and sell. Always remember, patience pays. Don't trade inside the wedge. Wait for a clear breakout and retest before entering. So what do you think? Will buyers continue to hold and push XPR to the upside, or will sellers come back and break this wedge down? Drop your opinion in the comments. That's it for XPR coin analysis. Trade wisely and always wait for confirmation before taking any setup. See you in next coin.